So you did it. You looked at Credit Karma, and it's finally at that credit score that you know that you need in order for you to go ahead and purchase a home or to buy a new car. Unfortunately, that may not be the case. I'll tell you why in a second. Credit Karma doesn't suck. It does have some really great uses. But there are a few things that we need to know when using Credit Karma to build and monitor your credit. Credit Karma only uses two of the three major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. When you're looking to buy a home, buy a car, they're going to need all three. So what the lenders are going to do is they're going to take out your highest credit score, they're going to take out the lowest credit score, and use what's called the mid score. Credit Karma offers your credit score for free in exchange for learning about your spending habits and allowing for companies to target advertise to you. Credit Karma utilizes the VantageScore model, while most of your lenders for home and for auto use the FICO scoring model. Because every point matters, and Credit Karma sometimes is off by 40, 60, 80, and sometimes 100 points, you can set yourself up for some real heartbreak. So what can you do? You want to think about when building your credit or fixing a bad credit. You want to go at it thinking about what is your ultimate goal. So if your ultimate goal is to just maintain your credit, Credit Karmas can work wonders for you. If your goal is to buy a home or buy a car, one of the things that I would suggest is that you actually reach out to a lender for whatever service that you're requiring. So if you're looking to buy a home, you would definitely want to go ahead and reach out to a lender and have them go ahead and pull your credit. They're going to pull your credit, and most times they're going to be able to let you know, like, hey, you're good to go right now. You're at that minimum 640 that we're going to need for FHA. Or if you're not there, most of them are going to offer you some tips on what you can do with your credit report in order for you to go ahead and build your credit to a point where that lender is going to be comfortable and confident that if they put forward your application, that you're going to go ahead and get approved. Same thing if you're going to go for an auto loan. Keep in mind, the lower your credit score, the more interest rates you're going to pay, especially for an auto loan. I hope this information you found to be useful. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I will really greatly appreciate that. Talk to you soon.